You are going to love the 2015 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, OnStar, heated seats, navigation system, appearance package, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, Bose sound system, all-wheel drive, air conditioning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.